Hello guys, in this video let's discuss web app hosted in VM versus web app hosted in app service. So guys, the most important and fundamental difference is VM is present in VNet and Subnet, but app service it is not present in any such VNet and Subnet. For example, if you see this screenshot, so we have this VM and we are under overview, and if you see this VM, it is present in this VNet and Subnet. That is, VNet is our first VNet and the Subnet is our first Subnet. But on the other hand, if you see this app service, so guys, this is the app service which we created in our last video. So we are in this app service under overview, and observe this. You can see this app service is not present in any such VNet or Subnet. And hence we need to apply different networking solutions to secure these web apps. So basically we can apply energy to secure the web app which is hosted in VM, but this solution is not applicable to app service, and again because app service is not present in any VNet and Subnet. So the issue with web app which is hosted in app service is by default anybody from public internet can access this web app. Okay, and to secure such web app, that is the web app hosted in app service, we should use service endpoints or private endpoints plus access restriction. So basically we can use service endpoint plus access restrictions, or we can use private endpoint plus access restriction. Now this service endpoint, it is kind of an older solution, and this private endpoint, it is a newer solution, and this private endpoint plus access restriction, it is a better solution. But of course we will understand both, that is service endpoint and private endpoint, in detail in our upcoming videos. Okay, now again we are back in our app service, and under search if I say networking, and see guys, public network access, and it says enabled with no access restrictions. So if I click on this, so basically under this access restrictions we have to use service endpoint or private endpoint to restrict the access to this app service. Okay, and now in simple words, consider access restriction for an app service is equal to energy for a subnet. So energy for subnet is like access restriction for app service. And now guys, finally the most important thing, irrespective of whether our web app is hosted in VM or app service, we should always use application gateway for both these web apps to protect it from common security attacks. And again we will discuss and use application gateway in our upcoming videos. Thank you.